Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the basics of Canva for beginners, and you will learn the beginning stage to start designing your own graphics. You can use it for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and other social media channels. Canva has a great variety of tools, and there's a free version to use as well. It has a lot of photos, elements, templates for you to use. It's a lifesaver in the content marketing world. Whether it's for your website, social media, blogs, or flyers, banners, anything of that nature, Canva will sort you out. So, let's do this. Hello guys, Angeli here, and welcome to a brand new video on our channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva in minutes. Canva is a free publishing software where you can make a lot of different things such as banners, flyers, Facebook videos, YouTube icons, thumbnails, and much more. What's great about Canva is that it's free and you can get a lot out of it in the free version. It's very simple and easy to use. Let's get started. First, you're going to sign up for an account. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. And here are all the templates that you could use. So for this example, we're going to use social media, and we're going to design a Facebook post. See here that the size of the image or the template is already adjusted for you for Facebook post. You can change it here if you need to. And so if you're looking for a design for your beauty salon, you just go ahead and type beauty salon or cleaning service or whatever business that you have and press enter, and all the template for beauty salon will come up. So you just go ahead and click on the image that you want to use. You can change the image if you want to. So just hit upload media. You can look on Google for images and upload it here. You can add an image, or you can just change the image. You can change the font by clicking on it. On the upper left side, you can change the style of the font, the size, the color, if you want it bolded, and stuff like that. You can even animate it if you want to. So to download the image, you just hit share and download. And there it is. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make videos on Canva and add music to it. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.